Hello guys, today I will show you how you can put multiple images in one file. To begin this, you need to have Pages application in your computer. If you don't have this, you need to go to the App Store and download one. So I will search PAGES Pages, and the first application comes this one. I already downloaded this, so it's just showing open for me. But if you don't have this, if you go down, you will see a get button, and if you click this, it will ask you for your Apple ID and password. That's it. Alright, so let's begin. I'm gonna search Pages application. Yeah, here it is, and I will select a blank page in here, and I have already taken some screenshot from my PC. So I will just drag one screenshot to the Pages blank page, and I will show you how you can squeeze a couple of photos in one page in here. So I have dragged one. You can resize it by clicking on the corner, and yeah, then I will add one more picture. Obviously you can resize this one. Different size is not a matter. You can do what kind of size you want. I will also go for one more picture just to explain you how you can do this. This is the final one, and you can save all these pictures as a PNG. You can take a screenshot of all those pictures, or you can save a doc or PDF as well. To do the screenshot, you need to press Command Shift 4 in your Mac, and a plus icon will come. Yeah, a screenshot is saved already. If you just press done, it's done. Alright, also you can export this file as a PDF. So you will click File, you will go to the Export to and click PDF. Give it a new name if you want. You can also select the quality. Click Save. Yeah, in here you can put a name. That's it. That's all you need to do for putting multiple images in one file in your Mac. Thank you very much for watching.